Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. As you can see in front of you, today's video is a mishmash of loads of things. I went to a local area and just bought random stuff. So this is not a particular thing at all. So what we have Dino World mini dinosaur hatchlings. These are dino eggs. You see? All the warnings on the inside. I have 3 of them. I have 2 Playmobil figurines. These are series 18. Random what we're going to get. We have Dairy Milk Freddos. This is a new space series. These are all have 76 calories. You can see. Discover a surprise toy. In here we have chocolate and a surprise toy. I have 2 of them. And then for last we have a Zuru Smasher. This is smash the ball to collect them all. 1 smasher in every eyeball. So we've got to destroy the smasher. We will open the back up first to get the ones. But as you can see, we've got 3 ultra rares. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. 3 ultra rares, 4 odd bodies, 1 toilet humour, 1 iced insect, 1 smash trash, and 4 filthy food. These are not suitable for people under 36 months, so we'll get to that last. First of all, let's start with the figurines. So these are Playmobil figurines. They do not have a tear strip. Luckily, I have scissors. So we'll put them. Okay, I'm going to tilt you down so you can see. You can see these are series 18. And in here, all the figurines you can get. So if you like these, please do contact me back and I will get some more. So let's follow the instructions. So one arm, 2 arms. Yep. 2 arms. I do not have a jacket with it. Oh, that arm doesn't work. Let's see if we can. That arm does not want to work, as you can see. So these arms must have to go. Ah, there we go. They go in there, look. So that's why you're not working. So let's put you on. There we go. Place arm in. No, put the arms there. Then put it down. There we go. Now the arms are in. Yes, what bounce, but it doesn't matter. I'm guessing with this one. Ah, that's where it goes, on there. There we go. And there is our runner. He has footbands to go on his arms, but if we put them on, it'll take too much time, and they can become quite awkward. Okay, there you go, sweatband on the arm. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Let's do the other one. They are made of rubber, so they should just slide over. And there we go. There we go. One runner. That's very interesting. Very large figurines. Move on to our second. Knocking my light fixture here. Okay, this one's going to be a bit more complicated, because this one seems to want to sit I've got to try and get that into there with that. Okay, so see if we can't. There we go. There we go. And again, we have to put the arms in. I don't know what that is. Put the arms in first, then reach up and, oops, it is wrong way around. Putting it in the wrong way around, that's not a good idea, is it? So he's now freestanding. As you can see, the figurines all tell you exactly the same thing, exactly the same ways to do things, which doesn't always work. And we have two heads with this one. So unfortunately, this must be a pirate, which means I now have to disconnect that, make his arm go flying, put that over the top, then put them in, then put that on. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm just wondering why his head does not want to I don't know why that is. As you can see, it comes with a load of bits. And there is your pirate. Very nice, but as I say, his hair won't stay on, so we will just put him there, then there. We go. Okay, let's get rid of this. So there's your two figurines, one pirate, one exerciser. Let's go for the Dino World. So with these, you just pop them open. So let's do that with all three. Pop them open. Take the Don't know, we'll wrap her off. Okay, so they've had all their wrappers removed. This is just paper. So what we do now is, now we've got to just, hang on a second. Okay, let's see if we can't, there we go, it breaks. Look at that, look. You break it, and here's your first dino thing. Very weighty. And now clean up on R3. That was your blue one. Look at the pink one. There we go. Oh, we've got the same. Just a brighter yellow version. That one broke a little bit more. Do some tidying up. And last but not least, let's see if we can break this one a bit better. See if we can actually, there we go, look. And look, we have a different one. Very nice dinosaurs. So just a little bit of fun. Just found in my local supermarket. I'll give them a go. Oop. Our pirate's been on the rum again. Stop drinking all that rum. Oop. There we go. I caught that. Okay, so now we'll go back up. And we'll open the first Freddo. See, these are little packets. What you do, you open them up, and as you can see, delicious chocolate buttons that side, and a surprise that side. So you can see, if you open this side, delicious chocolate buttons, and this side we have Earth. Temperature 15 Celsius. Distance from Sun 150 million kilometers. Size 127,756 kilometers. And number of moons, just the one. So get my scissors here. We will open this up. These little facts that you can get on these. Very fun little things. See, little treats in your lunchbox. Available anywhere in the UK. And there you go. Space facts. Did you know how fast a spacesuit costs? How much, sorry, a spacesuit costs? It costs $12 million. How many times could the Earth fit inside the Sun? 1 million. Very nice facts. I say. So there's Earth, Mars. So Mars has a temperature of -23. It is 228 million kilometers from the Sun. It is 6,794 kilometers in diameter, and it has 2 moons. And did you know the tallest mountain in the solar system is on Mars? This one. Did you know 70% of the Earth's surface is water? And then you got your jokes. How does Freddo organise the team's next space mission? He has to plan it. What dance does the team do at the space disco? The moonwalk. I go back to Michael Jackson there. Also in here you get stickers. The sun, the moon, Earth and Mars. Very nice little addition there. As you can see here, it's the Freddo in space. You can get these, so you can get facts, animals, or Freddo. You can even get a spaceship. So, we got facts from that one. Very fun facts and very fun jokes. So let's put them out so you can see them. There we go. And we'll go to the other one. Move that one out the way. Get the other Freddo space one. Open it up, and this time we have a toy this time. We have Freddo the spaceman. We have Freddo stickers. Which I'll put there. And we have Freddo. Sun's coming, his glasses are on. Very nice. So after that we got Freddo. And more chocolate buttons, of course. So we'll put that to one side. And on to our last one. Our last one here is our Smasher Eyes. This is series gross. What I'll do is I'll tilt you down so we can open it down here. There we go. Gonna pack it out first. As you can see, the eyeball does come apart. There we go. Don't know whether you can see, but there is the eyeball. Oops, sorry. There is the eyeball. Okay, I don't know whether you can see, but there is the eyeball. And it has markings on it, including the word Smashers. And as you see, you push it, comes apart, and inside is our item. That is very cool. Be building that again later, because I don't expect I'll be able to build it. Knowing me. That's not that side, is it? Yeah, there we go. Half the fun is trying to put this stuff back together. Let's see if we can follow the instructions and put this back together. That's your top and your bottom. This is hours of fun. Just trying to get the eyeball back together. As you can see, I'm having no success whatsoever. So I think on this occasion, I'm going to have to admit defeat. I'm going to have to admit defeat and try it again later. I admit defeat on that one. If you're good at putting that back together, thank good. Glad somebody is. It's me at the moment. A bit too difficult. So let's see. That's been quite good. Of getting what we got there. That is maggot pizza. This is maggot pizza, which is a filthy food. Not very nice. But I hope you liked and enjoyed today's random items. If you'd like me to go out and buy loads more random items and have them, just so it makes a change from all the same stuff as before, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Also, put your own space joke down there. I will be reading them, so thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.